Climate change wiuyaw na navasem आपको मांगी ताकुच climate change o ya lupa ong sabol machail takayakan men kai ruach wiautar poinsa wasakin komu takuch climate change o ya momonomi mor e bangkak puita tawaktak la on climate change na navasem.
Magitkan and government on climate change. Climate change we akapalew makiyong kapal achail kausan nakan nanavasam o achail state o national government to talk when so was it pagchailang kak anikum more mau on climate change. Mia navasam climate change policy me pan sawas o katete ta masan pen climate change we wiawin ang wasakan koros ng government. Evasam kawatar and evasam country program on green climate fund. Kayo pan wiyaw ng Pacific Omech pan Kuwait jail. The talk and Kuwait state government on aleta climate change o apali project kan. Nan par chayo evasam aletier million tuwaw sang adaptation fund puen sawase o apali on kakelaka policy o institutional capacity on kabajabach and coastal o apal pen pil nan national o balikan and state. Makabachayang match MCT aletier millionaire on water project. When katogeda uyapekan on kachikala and kausan memi pan kapal on climate change nan Federated States of Micronesia. EU kitar sawas the Reni project mepilpan sawas water security project on FSM o akay sawas pilpang paratomur pan GCCA plus project kapwew. Mia achail kayawan FSM accredited entity on Green Climate Fund. Micronesian Conservation Trust with the Tonki million ASEC project on food or water security. Match panin nanan sa was allowed kakan kamaula wasakan na nachail takayakan on irakan mepitmaw kisin mga o pil o sa was FSM and apali lupalipkan and climate change. When weweki akay song kan me state wiya puen sawase kauti climate change patakyang kau nususkan o kilang pilanakan memiyer o ngom takayakan o kausanakan. Aramasakan na navasem kener climate change and sewage. And wewe kila tuan climate change kak sawase kausanakan and wiyata plan mamaw o en kelail te kamawan miela po niyain so magwaktaglakan pamparata kausanakan kak kakirtache te memorche men kapesa watch te pakairwatch ko sanga Reserve Department Environment Climate Change o Emergency.